session we are going to discuss about a case study on summer. Today we have Ms. Priyanka and Iniyavarshini with us to conduct the case study.
Hello everyone, myself Iniyavarshini and this is Priyanka. Now we are going to take a case study on summer amplification. Summer amplification it is used to analog computers and it is at both AC and DC signals. It works on the both signals. What is the main approach of summer amplification? It just add up the terminal in the input terminal and the result out the output as an adder or some of input terminals at the end of the terminal. Now I am going to draw a summer amplification. V1, V2 and V3 is the applied voltage. It's applied to the inverting summer amplification, while which feedback goes given to the inverting terminal. Then feedback from the output, it goes to the Vx. Vx is the virtual ground position. Then I is a feedback current which goes to the output to input side. So the direction will be a output to input. Then V in whole term which represent the R1 and R2 and R3 summer amplification. Now I am going to solve a expression. Equal to 0, while which Vx 0, it doesn't flow a current, so Vn equal to 0. These are the general expression. While we represent the minus which feedback from the output from to the inverting terminal, so we represent the minus. When inverting terminal is it attains a gate, it represents the negative. So we use the negative symbol. Equal to R1 equal to R2 R. Then finally V0 will be minus V1, V2 and V3.
Real-world applications. In modern homes and buildings, we use smart thermostats, right? The system automatically controls the temperature, air quality, etc. So the system decides whether to cool or heat on the basis of summing amplifier. It does this because, based on the input voltage, input that given by the sensors, like the temperature sensor and the air quality sensing. So the output of the system is going to be the minus of all these sum of all these inputs. For example, if temperature sensor gives 1.2 as its 1.2 voltage as its input, and some other sensor gives its input as 0.8. So the output of the system is going to be minus of sum of all these inputs. So I need all people to divide into groups. So we will be giving some resistor values and voltage values. So I need one volunteer from every group to solve the given problem.
What was the case taken? What was the application taken today? Summing amplifier, right? And they have explained what is summing amplifier and how the output the equation was derived, right? Now then they explained about a case. What was the case? They took a smart thermostat system. Okay, what was its function? Masha, what was the function? What was the function of the case what they have considered?
Find the temperature.
To find the temperature in a room.
Very
And how summer plays its role there?
sensor like this.
Okay, it is sensing,
Giving the output.
giving the output. Why it comes under summer's application? Why it is the case considered for summer? Why it was
Taking one output.
yes. See what they said is for different rooms they considered they have captured or sensed the temperatures and all together they summarized it and then adding together on a whole they have controlled the temperature of a house or home. Right? That is why they have considered that particular application for summer. Okay. See now also they have considered they came up with a game that they have given different resistors values. You will be picking the questions from this sheet and then you will be solving. Right? Will you give any prize or anything to whom you will? Okay, fine. Right. So you can pick your questions. Shall I keep it here? Esteem 1. Esteem 3. And what is missing? See, you have to discuss with your team and solve.
போதிய மணி போன
Is the answer right? Steve 3. Steve 3. So it's too late. Right. Answer for all the teams. So all are winners. Your question is very easy, I think. Right? Okay, fine. So you understood the concept of summing, isn't it? Right? Okay. Okay.